Transform your Notion pages into stunning presentations with AI in minutes. With Gamma, you can import your Notion documents directly and turn them into interactive, visually stunning presentations without design skills. Let's explore how to do it. Getting started. To begin, you'll need to make your Notion page accessible for Gamma to import it. Open your Notion page. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select the Publish tab and click on Publish. Finally, copy your public Notion URL. This step is essential as Gamma can only import Notion pages that are publicly accessible. Now, navigate to the Gamma dashboard and select Create New with AI. Then choose Import File or URL and click on Import from URL. Paste your copied Notion URL into the field and click Import. Gamma will now access your Notion content and prepare it for transformation. Outlining your content. As Gamma imports your Notion page, watch it intelligently recognize and transcribe your content. You can use the prompt editor to distribute and enhance the content in various ways. For a hands-off approach, select Freeform to let Gamma's AI distribute the content automatically. If you prefer more control, choose Card by Card to manually manage each section. You can also specify the number of cards for your new presentation. Gamma offers different options to enhance your Notion content. You can present it as is, condense it for a concise presentation, or expand it with additional AI-generated details. To tailor the content for a specific audience, you can specify the audience, tone, and even language. Moreover, Gamma can automatically enhance your content by adding stunning images from the web or generating them with AI. Selecting a theme. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about designing your presentations. Choose from a wide variety of professionally designed themes to make your content look great in seconds. If you prefer to apply your own brand elements, you can create and apply a custom theme to all your presentations. This ensures brand consistency across all your content. Once you've selected a theme that fits your content, click Generate, and watch as the AI transforms your Notion page into a stunning presentation. Edit with AI. Once your presentation is generated, you can customize it further to match your vision perfectly by adding many available components like smart layouts, diagrams, charts, videos, embedded apps, and more. To make changes quickly, use Gamma's AI editing assistant. Simply click the Edit with AI button at the top right of your screen to start a direct chat with the AI and make changes to the entire project. Or click the AI button at the top of any card for improvement options specific to that card. You can ask the AI to adjust text length or formatting. Change the tone or style of writing. Improve the layouts for better visual hierarchy. Generate new AI images with specific styles. Translate content to different languages. Whether you need to tweak the layout, adjust visual elements, or add more content, it's like having a personal designer at your fingertips. Exporting your presentation. When your presentation is ready to share, Gamma gives you multiple export options. Present directly from Gamma to deliver an engaging presentation while viewing your notes and upcoming slides. Share as a link for others to view your presentation online. Export to various formats: PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNG images. Publish directly to your LinkedIn feed without leaving the platform. These flexible export options ensure you can use your presentation in any environment, whether you're presenting in person, sharing on social media, or distributing to your team in their preferred format. And that's how you transform your Notion pages into professional presentations with Gamma. This workflow is ideal for teams who document their work in Notion and need to present it in a more visually engaging format. With Gamma's Import from URL feature, you can quickly transform your Notion pages into stunning presentations, engaging websites, interactive documents, and social media content, all without any design skills. Start for free at gamma.app and experience a whole new way to present your ideas, powered by AI. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on how to use Gamma for your content creation needs.